Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Friday, 27 February 2026, Nifty Index opened positive but failed to hold its opening highs of 25,570 and drifted lower in the first half of the session. It recovered from 25,400 and closed in marginal gains. Index has been hovering in a choppy manner and fresh follow-up buying is required for momentum to continue. It formed a small body bearish candle on the daily frame with longer lower shadow, indicating support-based buying is intact at the lower zone. India VIX was down by around 3% to 13 levels. Nifty put-call ratio remains unchanged at 0.88. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,000 to 26,000 levels, while immediate trading range could be in between 25,300 to 25,700. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 3,655 crores, while DIIs were sellers worth 1,946 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 21.7%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to cross and hold above 25,500 for strength to rebuild towards 25,750, while support can be seen at 25,250. Bank Nifty has to hold above 61,000 for the next up move towards 61,765, while support can be seen at 60,750 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Fortis, Bank of Baroda, Shriram Finance, Lupin, Eicher Motors, Motherson, SBI and Sun Pharma, while some weakness could be seen in Lodha, Eternal, Asian Paints, Dixon, K Fintech and Hoodco. Wish you a super day and a lovely weekend ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.